Commonwealth Games Woes. Jamaica's Briana Williams in for Kemba Nelson at Commonwealth Games. Akeem Blake and Charokee Young out. Jamaica's World Championships 100-meter semi-finalist Akeem Blake and 4x400-meter relay silver medalist Charokee Young are rumored to have withdrawn from the track and field team at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England, citing the need to rest after the World Championships. However, so far, there has been no official confirmation of this situation. There seems to be some problems with the Jamaican team for the Games, as today, Athletics Jamaica has called upon Olympic 4x100-meter gold medalist Briana Williams to join the team in Birmingham as a late replacement for Kemba Nelson in the women's 100-meter event. However, there are issues with this, as Briana is supposed to be in Silesia, Poland on Friday, August 6th for a Diamond League meet, and is yet to leave the US, as the JAAA has not yet received the necessary clearance for her to compete in Birmingham from the Commonwealth Games Federation. Other woes for Jamaica include at least one member of the team testing positive for COVID-19 upon arrival in England, and the confirmation now that Frederick Dakers, the 2019 World Championships discus silver medalist, will not be competing, as it appears there was some kind of mix-up as to whether his name was placed on the start list or not. After making checks on the situation, team manager of the Jamaican team, Ludlow Watts, explained to the Observer News team that in fact, Dakers was not registered to compete. Doesn't look like a very bright day at all for the JAAA and our Jamaican team to the Commonwealth Games. The hope now is that Elaine Thompson-Herah, Rashid Dwyer, Javon Powell, and the rest of the team over there will shine, make up for the slack, and bring home some medals. Good luck, Team Jamaica.